Was and were are the past tense forms of the verb to be. Was is used with singular subjects, I, he, she, it, while were is used with plural subjects, we, you, they, and with the singular subject you. Was और वह क्रिया to be के भूतकाल रूप हैं. was का प्रयोग एक वचन I, he, she, it के साथ किया जाता है, जबकि वह का प्रयोग बहुवचन we, you, they और एक वचन you के साथ किया जाता है. Interrogative sentences are questions. They ask about something that happened in the past. Examples with was interrogative. Was she at the library yesterday? क्या वह कल पुस्तकालय में थी? Was the food tasty? क्या खाना स्वादिष्ट था? Was it raining in the morning? क्या सुबह बारिश हो रही थी? Was he your teacher last year? क्या वह पिछले साल आपके शिक्षक थे? Was the movie good? क्या फिल्म अच्छी थी? Were they at the meeting? क्या वे बैठक में थे? Were you happy with the decision? क्या आप निर्णय से खुश थे? Were the kids playing outside? क्या बच्चे बाहर खेल रहे थे? Were we supposed to meet today? क्या हमें आज मिलना था? Were the lights on last night? क्या कल रात लाइट्स जल रही थीं? Interrogative negative sentences using was and were. Interrogative negative sentences are questions that ask about something that did not happen in the past. Wasn't she at home yesterday? क्या वह कल घर पर नहीं थी? Wasn't the shop open in the morning? क्या दुकान सुबह खुली नहीं थी? Wasn't it cold last night? क्या कल रात ठंड नहीं थी? Wasn't he your friend? क्या वह आपका दोस्त नहीं था? Wasn't the water hot? क्या पानी गर्म नहीं था? Weren't they at the park yesterday? क्या वे कल पार्क में नहीं थे? Weren't you working on the project? क्या आप परियोजना पर काम नहीं कर रहे थे? Weren't the doors locked? क्या दरवाजे बंद नहीं थे? Weren't we invited to the party? क्या हमें पार्टी में नहीं बुलाया गया था? Weren't the players tired after the game? क्या खिलाड़ी खेल के बाद थके नहीं थे? Interrogative sentences using was. Was he at the office yesterday? क्या वह कल ऑफिस में था? Was she your teacher? क्या वह आपकी शिक्षिका थी? Was the movie good? क्या फिल्म अच्छी थी? Was the door open when you arrived? जब आप पहुंचे, तो क्या दरवाजा खुला था? Was the game exciting? क्या खेल रोमांचक था? Was he late for the meeting? क्या वह बैठक के लिए देर से आया था? Was it cold last night? क्या कल रात ठंड थी? Was the concert fun? क्या संगीत कार्यक्रम मजेदार था? Was she at home on Sunday? क्या वह रविवार को घर पर थी? Was the cat in the garden? क्या बिल्ली बगीचे में थी? Was your phone on the table? क्या आपका फ़ोन मेज पर था? Was he your classmate? क्या वह आपका सहपाठी था? Was the book interesting? क्या किताब दिलचस्प थी? Was she sick last week? क्या वह पिछले हफ्ते बीमार थी? Was the store open late? क्या दुकान देर तक खुली थी? Was the answer correct? क्या उत्तर सही था? Was it a difficult question? क्या यह एक कठिन प्रश्न था? Was the teacher kind to you? क्या शिक्षक आपके प्रति दयालु था? Was he your friend? क्या वह आपका दोस्त था? Was the train on time? क्या ट्रेन समय पर थी? Was the soup hot? क्या सूप गर्म था? Was the car in the garage? क्या कार गैराज में थी? Was it easy to solve the puzzle? क्या पहेली को हल करना आसान था? Was your brother at the party? क्या आपका भाई पार्टी में था? Was she wearing a red dress? क्या वह लाल पोशाक पहन रही थी? Was the beach crowded? क्या समुद्र तट भीड़भाड़ था? Was the milk fresh? क्या दूध ताज़ा था? Was the movie boring? क्या फिल्म उबाऊ थी? Was it raining yesterday? क्या कल बारिश हो रही थी? Was the meeting important? क्या बैठक महत्वपूर्ण थी? Was the dog barking? क्या कुत्ता भौंक रहा था? Was the shop closed? क्या दुकान बंद थी? Was he your cousin? क्या वह आपका चचेरा भाई था? Was the chair broken? क्या कुर्सी टूटी हुई थी? Was the river clean? क्या नदी साफ थी? Was the light on? क्या लाइट जल रही थी? Was the homework difficult? क्या होमवर्क कठिन था? Was she happy with the gift? क्या वह उपहार से खुश थी? Was the food spicy? क्या खाना मसालेदार था? Was the television working? क्या टेलीविजन काम कर रहा था? Was the teacher strict? क्या शिक्षक सख्त था? Was the exam tough? क्या परीक्षा कठिन थी? Was the room dark? क्या कमरा अंधेरा था? Was he at the station? क्या वह स्टेशन पर था? Was the river deep? क्या नदी गहरी थी? Was she a good singer? क्या वह एक अच्छी गायिका थी? Was the bus late? क्या बस देर से आई थी? Was the bed comfortable? क्या बिस्तर आरामदायक था? Was the water cold? क्या पानी ठंडा था? Was the train fast? क्या ट्रेन तेज थी? Interrogative sentences using wa. Were they at the park yesterday? क्या वे कल पार्क में थे? Were you happy with the service? क्या आप सेवा से खुश थे? Were the children at school today? क्या बच्चे आज स्कूल में थे? Were the windows open? क्या खिड़कियां खुली थीं? Were the keys on the table? क्या चाबियां मेज पर थीं? Were we late for the movie? क्या हम फिल्म के लिए देर से थे? Were the stars visible last night? क्या कल रात तारे दिखाई दे रहे थे? Were the dogs barking loudly? क्या कुत्ते जोर से भौंक रहे थे? Were you at the concert? क्या आप संगीत कार्यक्रम में थे? Were the flowers blooming? क्या फूल खिल रहे थे? Were the apples fresh? क्या सेब ताजे थे? Were they your classmate? क्या वे आपके सहपाठी थे? Were the lights off when you came? जब आप आए तो क्या लाइट्स बंद थीं? Were the roads busy? क्या सड़कों पर भीड़ थी? Were you ready for the test? क्या आप परीक्षा के लिए तैयार थे? Were they invited to the party? क्या उन्हें पार्टी में बुलाया गया था? Were the shoes comfortable? क्या जूते आरामदायक थे? Were the dishes clean? क्या बर्तन साफ थे? Were we at the right place? क्या हम सही जगह पर थे? Were the tickets expensive? क्या टिकट महंगे थे? Were the kids excited for the trip? क्या बच्चे यात्रा के लिए उत्साहित थे? Were the books on the shelf? क्या किताबें शेल्फ पर थीं? Were you cold last night? क्या आपको कल रात ठंड लगी थी? Were the curtains blue? क्या पर्दे नीले थे? Were the shoes on sale? क्या जूते बिक्री पर थे? Were the instructions clear? क्या निर्देश स्पष्ट थे? Were they friends in college? क्या वे कॉलेज में दोस्त थे? Were the toys broken? क्या खिलौने टूटे हुए थे? Were the animals in the zoo? क्या जानवर चिड़ियाघर में थे? Were the questions easy? क्या सवाल आसान थे? Were you tired after the trip? क्या आप यात्रा के बाद थके हुए थे? Were the candles lit? क्या मोमबत्तियां जलाई गई थीं? Were they at the concert? क्या वे संगीत कार्यक्रम में थे? Were the streets empty? क्या सड़कें खाली थीं? Were we on the same flight? क्या हम एक ही उड़ान पर थे? Were the walls painted white? क्या दीवारें सफ़ेद रंगी हुई थीं? Were the dogs friendly? क्या कुत्ते मिलनसार थे? Were the dishes expensive? क्या बर्तन महंगे थे? Were the letters delivered? क्या पत्र पहुंचाए गए थे? Were the trees tall? क्या पेड़ ऊंचे थे? Were the bags heavy? क्या बैग भारी थे? Were you at the station yesterday? क्या आप कल स्टेशन पर थे? Were the exams difficult? क्या परीक्षा कठिन थी? Were the chairs comfortable? क्या कुर्सियां आरामदायक थीं? Were the kids at home? क्या बच्चे घर पर थे? Were the birds singing? क्या पक्षी गा रहे थे? Were the shops closed? क्या दुकानें बंद थीं? Were the people friendly? क्या लोग मिलनसार थे? Were the drinks cold? क्या पेय ठंडे थे? Were the clothes clean? क्या कपड़े साफ थे? Interrogative negative sentences using was. Wasn't he at the office yesterday? क्या वह कल ऑफिस में नहीं था? Wasn't the movie good? क्या फिल्म अच्छी नहीं थी? Wasn't she your teacher? क्या वह आपकी शिक्षिका नहीं थी? Wasn't it cold last night? क्या कल रात ठंड नहीं थी? Wasn't he late for the meeting? क्या वह बैठक के लिए देर से नहीं आया था? Wasn't the door open? क्या दरवाजा खुला नहीं था? Wasn't the game exciting? क्या खेल रोमांचक नहीं था? Wasn't she at home on Sunday? क्या वह रविवार को घर पर नहीं थी? Wasn't the cat in the garden? क्या बिल्ली बगीचे में नहीं थी? Wasn't your phone on the table? क्या आपका फ़ोन मेज पर नहीं था? Wasn't he your classmate? क्या वह आपका सहपाठी नहीं था? Wasn't the book interesting? क्या किताब दिलचस्प नहीं थी? Wasn't she sick last week? क्या वह पिछले हफ्ते बीमार नहीं थी? Wasn't the store open late? क्या दुकान देर तक खुली नहीं थी? Wasn't the answer correct? क्या उत्तर सही नहीं था? Wasn't it a difficult question? क्या यह एक कठिन प्रश्न नहीं था? Wasn't the teacher kind to you? क्या शिक्षक आपके प्रति दयालु नहीं था? Wasn't he your friend? क्या वह आपका दोस्त नहीं था? Wasn't the train on time? क्या ट्रेन समय पर नहीं थी? Wasn't the soup hot? क्या सूप गर्म नहीं था? Wasn't the car in the garage? क्या कार गैराज में नहीं थी? Wasn't it easy to solve the puzzle? क्या पहेली को हल करना आसान नहीं था? Wasn't your brother at the party? क्या आपका भाई पार्टी में नहीं था? Wasn't the beach crowded? क्या समुद्र तट भीड़भाड़ नहीं था? Wasn't the milk fresh? क्या दूध ताज़ा नहीं था? Wasn't the movie boring? क्या फिल्म उबाऊ नहीं थी? Wasn't it raining yesterday? क्या कल बारिश नहीं हो रही थी? Wasn't the meeting important? क्या बैठक महत्वपूर्ण नहीं थी? Wasn't the shop closed? क्या दुकान बंद नहीं थी? Wasn't he your cousin? क्या वह आपका चचेरा भाई नहीं था? Wasn't the chair broken? क्या कुर्सी टूटी हुई नहीं थी? Wasn't the river clean? क्या नदी साफ नहीं थी? Wasn't the light on? क्या लाइट जल नहीं रही थी? Wasn't the homework difficult? क्या होमवर्क कठिन नहीं था? Wasn't she happy with the gift? क्या वह उपहार से खुश नहीं थी? Wasn't the food spicy? क्या खाना मसालेदार नहीं था? Wasn't the television working? क्या टेलीविजन काम नहीं कर रहा था? Wasn't the teacher strict? क्या शिक्षक सख्त नहीं था? Wasn't the exam tough? क्या परीक्षा कठिन नहीं थी? Wasn't the room dark? क्या कमरा अंधेरा नहीं था? Wasn't he at the station? क्या वह स्टेशन पर नहीं था? Wasn't the river deep? क्या नदी गहरी नहीं थी? Wasn't she a good singer? क्या वह एक अच्छी गायिका नहीं थी? Wasn't the bus late? क्या बस देर से नहीं आई थी? Wasn't the bed comfortable? क्या बिस्तर आरामदायक नहीं था? Wasn't the water cold? क्या पानी ठंडा नहीं था? Wasn't the train fast? क्या ट्रेन तेज नहीं थी? Wasn't the street empty? क्या सड़क खाली नहीं थी? Wasn't it your idea? क्या यह आपका विचार नहीं था? Wasn't the dog friendly? क्या कुत्ता मिलनसार नहीं था? Interrogative negative sentences using wa. Weren't they at the park yesterday? क्या वे कल पार्क में नहीं थे? Weren't you happy with the service? क्या आप सेवा से खुश नहीं थे? Weren't the children at school today? क्या बच्चे आज स्कूल में नहीं थे? Weren't the windows open? क्या खिड़कियां खुली नहीं थीं? Weren't the keys on the table? क्या चाबियां मेज पर नहीं थीं? Weren't we late for the movie? क्या हम फिल्म के लिए देर से नहीं थे? Weren't the stars visible last night? क्या कल रात तारे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे थे? Weren't the dogs barking loudly? क्या कुत्ते जोर से नहीं भौंक रहे थे? Weren't you at the concert? क्या आप संगीत कार्यक्रम में नहीं थे? Weren't the flowers blooming? क्या फूल नहीं खिल रहे थे? Weren't the apples fresh? क्या सेब ताजे नहीं थे? Weren't they your classmate? क्या वे आपके सहपाठी नहीं थे? Weren't the lights off when you came? जब आप आए तो क्या लाइट्स बंद नहीं थीं? Weren't the roads busy? क्या सड़कों पर भीड़ नहीं थी? Weren't you ready for the test? क्या आप परीक्षा के लिए तैयार नहीं थे? Weren't they invited to the party? क्या उन्हें पार्टी में बुलाया नहीं गया था? Weren't the shoes comfortable? क्या जूते आरामदायक नहीं थे? Weren't the dishes clean? क्या बर्तन साफ नहीं थे? Weren't we at the right place? क्या हम सही जगह पर नहीं थे? Weren't the tickets expensive? क्या टिकट महंगे नहीं थे? Weren't the kids excited for the trip? क्या बच्चे यात्रा के लिए उत्साहित नहीं थे? Weren't the books on the shelf? क्या किताबें शेल्फ पर नहीं थीं? Weren't you cold last night? क्या आपको कल रात ठंड नहीं लगी थी? Weren't the curtains blue? क्या पर्दे नीले नहीं थे? Weren't the shoes on sale? क्या जूते बिक्री पर नहीं थे? Weren't the instructions clear? क्या निर्देश स्पष्ट नहीं थे? Weren't they friends in college? क्या वे कॉलेज में दोस्त नहीं थे? Weren't the toys broken? क्या खिलौने टूटे हुए नहीं थे? Weren't the animals in the zoo? क्या जानवर चिड़ियाघर में नहीं थे? Weren't the questions easy? क्या सवाल आसान नहीं थे? Weren't you tired after the trip? क्या आप यात्रा के बाद थके हुए नहीं थे? Weren't the candles lit? क्या मोमबत्तियां जलाई नहीं गई थीं? Weren't they at the concert? क्या वे संगीत कार्यक्रम में नहीं थे? Weren't the streets empty? क्या सड़कें खाली नहीं थीं? Weren't we on the same flight? क्या हम एक ही उड़ान पर नहीं थे? Weren't the walls painted white? क्या दीवारें सफ़ेद रंगी हुई नहीं थीं? Weren't the dogs friendly? क्या कुत्ते मिलनसार नहीं थे? Weren't the dishes expensive? क्या बर्तन महंगे नहीं थे? Weren't the letters delivered? क्या पत्र पहुंचाए नहीं गए थे? Weren't the trees tall? क्या पेड़ ऊंचे नहीं थे? Weren't the bags heavy? क्या बैग भारी नहीं थे? Weren't you at the station yesterday? क्या आप कल स्टेशन पर नहीं थे? Weren't the exams difficult? क्या परीक्षा कठिन नहीं थी? Weren't the chairs comfortable? क्या कुर्सियां आरामदायक नहीं थीं? Weren't the kids at home? क्या बच्चे घर पर नहीं थे? Weren't the birds singing? क्या पक्षी गा नहीं रहे थे? Weren't the shops closed? क्या दुकानें बंद नहीं थीं? Weren't the people friendly? क्या लोग मिलनसार नहीं थे? Weren't the drinks cold? क्या पेय ठंडे नहीं थे? Weren't the clothes clean? क्या कपड़े साफ नहीं थे?